Hey viewers, I am back. This time pretty early. It's Amit, your financial planner. This video is very important because it's one of the wealth creation tool as a strategy which I am sharing with you. Obviously, the motto of our do-it-yourself model is obviously to create financial literacy, make people financially literate so that they become experts and they can manage their finances just like any other expert. Yeah, I need to give this disclaimer that the views, opinions expressed in this presentation are solely of myself and we are not associated with any financial product selling company. Hence, you can treat our opinions to be pretty much unbiased to that extent. The topic, I'm sure you are all aware of SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, right? It's a disciplined traditional mode of doing SIP versus my mode of timed discipline SIP. So wait for it because it will be an eye-opening presentation. Okay, just go through it. It's based on past 9 years of data. I am making this video on 25th November 2020, but I am making this data from 1st January 2011 till 31st December 2019. So much before the pre-COVID scenario. So this year's erratic fluctuation is ignored for the calculation purpose. Okay. This video requires you to listen carefully to understand the strategy and plan your disciplined investment accordingly. Okay, so now let's get to my strategy. Here is the strategy. Now this is the traditional method. I'm comparing the two methods. This is my method. This is what all over India generally people are doing. Okay, so it's based on as if we are buying Nifty index. So based on the closing price of a given day, we are buying it. Obviously, we are planning this. This is just to make a clear understanding about the strategy. Obviously, we'll be buying the mutual funds in various schemes and so. But to make an understanding about the strategy, I'm doing this. Okay. Now, under this, let's say I'm taking my date of SIP to be 28th of each month. So, in 9 years, roughly, it should be around 108. So obviously I can change this and accordingly the answers will change. So right now I'm keeping this as constant 28 date, number of SIPs, and per SIP, so per month in our case we are investing 25,000. So in 9 years we are totally investing 27 lakhs. Now obviously the day you invested, so on 28th of Jan, 28th of Feb, what will be the closing price of Nifty? Based on that number of units you are allotted, and on the end of 31st December 2019, of course, it's not coming over here, but it's 2019. So what will be the corpus? So 27 lakhs in 9 years is becoming 44 lakhs. Okay. So maybe 10 to 11% CAGR should be there. I'm not showing the CAGR because I'll show the value difference for you to more wealth creation difference will come to know. Now under proactive mode, what we are doing, I want that we don't start the SIP in equity scheme. You start an SIP in a liquid fund of that AMC whose equity scheme you are planning to invest. Okay. And the day when Nifty falls in this example I'm showing, I will change these parameters later on. And the day Nifty falls by 1.5% or more, the next day you will be buying, you will be doing your investment. Okay. So every day Nifty may not rise or fall, but it may not rise or fall by it may not fall by 1.5% in a given scenario. So in last 9 years, there have been 122 instances where Nifty has fallen by 1.5% more. So it could be 1.51%, 2%, 3%, whatever. And next day we are buying because final closure, it's 3:30 p.m. and by the time the cutoff timings are gone in mutual funds, so I'm losing that. So discipline wise, even if next day after the fall day, even if Nifty rises, we are still continuing our buy. Remember this. So what we do, I shift my liquid fund to that respective equity fund. So again, my investment is not changing. 27 lakhs invested, but in this time it's very much methodical of 28th of each month, right? यहाँ पे it may happen that it may happen that for first 3 months there was no fall of 1.5%. So there was no investment shifting from liquid to equity. So whatever, but 122 instances we got in 9 years wherein we shifted it, ultimately invested 26. It's an active management, as I said, proactive. So it's a discipline of 27 lakhs only, but I've timed it. It instead of 44 lakhs, it is becoming 51 lakhs. So I'm substantially creating an additional wealth of 7,25,000. Now, if I consider in percentage terms, I have over 44 lakhs. I have increased my wealth by 16%. So 7,25,44. Okay. I'm ignoring the additional returns which I must have generated by parking my money for some time in liquid funds. So that difference will be on a higher side. So this strategy is what I am speaking about. Now let me show you some changes. Okay, let's say I started because I'm getting, let's say I'm into job, I'm getting salary. So it's better to invest in first 5 to 7 days. Okay. Maybe couple of SIPs are ignored. So my investment is now in 9 years, 26 lakhs 25. Let's say I decided that whenever Nifty falls by 2%, next day I'm investing the money. Okay, I have kept that in mind. This calculation based on that I'm investing next day. So I'm already delaying my timing also intentionally. So even if I go wrong on next day, because today market fell by 2%, next day it may have jumped by 1%. That's okay. But 53 instances were there in last 9 years when market on a given day fell by 2% and I decided to invest on next day. So for example, let's say, just example sake, market fell on, let's say, 12th November 2013. So I'll be investing on 13th November 2013 and so. Now it's 7 lakhs. Okay. If market fell by 2.5% and I invest, see the difference. So obviously, if market fell by 3%, so obviously in 7 years there were in 9 years there were only 7 instances. But see the difference. Okay, but this is pretty much very difficult, so I'm just keeping it as 1.5% fairly. Still, I'm creating a substantial wealth for myself. Okay, so it has to be done this way. That's what I feel. The time of disciplined all this stuff has gone. Okay, either you be proactive or you appoint a financial planner who is proactive on your behalf to do this. Of course, nothing comes free. Like I am a fee-based financial planner. You need to pay me fees for all this. Okay, so this is what it is. And yes, if you like this video, yeah, where it is going, yeah, if you like my video, these are my contact details, 9766313859. This is my mail ID and you can approach us. Do like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much.